Alright guys, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is a little bit special. This is a Ktm Bora with the Sax engine. It's original 50 cubs. It's actually, my dad bought this brand new in 1987 when it was brand new, yeah. And it has 4 or 5 owners since then, and now we managed to track it down. It has seen some better days, but all in all, it's almost stock. It's just missing some panels. This is loose. It has been an electrical fire here on the the side panels. But all in all, we want to maybe in the autumn we get time to take it apart and clean it up 100% and restore it and have it maybe on display in the living room or something like that. The plan is to keep most of the parts original as much as possible, yeah. But we need to track down some new side panels and some new electrical. Other than that, the engine just needs, everything else just needs a clean up and some paint, and then it should be all right. I'm not sure if this steering is original, or definitely not the paint. I can't build. Yeah, and this speedometer is missing. So yeah, it has seen some better days, but the title and everything is matching with the frame number and everything. So we know this is our father's bike, so it's no problem. And the papers and everything is good, and it has been without license plates since 2014. So a good amount of years, almost 10 years. So yeah, comment down if you want to see more of this bad boy. And yeah, there is a husky in the background. We maybe sell it. So comment down if you want that one. And yeah, comment down what you think of this bad boy right there. Peace out.